Hey guys, welcome to my channel and I am Shravya. Today we are going to make a 3-ingredient milkshake. List of ingredients and quantity required are in the description. But before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's get into the content. Take the almonds and soak them in water for 8 hours or overnight. After soaking them, peel the skin off the almonds and throw them in a mixer. Pulse them a few times so that the almonds get coarsely ground like this. Do not turn them into a paste. It's nice to have some bite while having a shake. Cut a ripe mango into small pieces without the skin. Let them chill in the freezer for half an hour and add them to the coarsely ground almonds. Pulse it again for a few times. Let me make it clear. Chill it in the freezer and not in the refrigerator. As the mango is ripe, it doesn't take more than a few pulses to turn into a paste like this. If it doesn't turn into a paste, maybe they are not as ripe as you think they are. Now add already boiled and chilled milk to the mixer. Pulse it again so that everything is mixed well. If the mangoes are ripe, there is no need of adding any sweetness. The mangoes I used are very ripe, but if the mangoes you are using are not ripe enough, you can add some honey or any other sweetness of your choice. I would suggest to use date syrup. It really elevates the taste of this shake. Pour the shake into the serving glass and garnish with some almonds on the top. Your 3-ingredient almond milkshake is ready. Try the recipe and let me know how it tasted. If you like the video, click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. If you have any suggestions or video requests, you can always write in the comment section. Thank you for tuning into this channel and watching my video till the end. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.